What she's doing, boys, what she's doing. Say what she's doing, boys, what she's doing. Then you gonna sit right here. Playing with some toys, just making some noise. Just don't even play no games, get back. I'm playing with my boys. He's right over there, if you didn't see him. He's a cutie boy, yes he is. He just likes to have fun with Johnny Bliss. Says that's his name too, that's his dad, and that's what we do. The fox said us all blue. Are we gonna stop it and make it a move in a day? Just don't even play no games. Sit back and do it for a decade. Hey, that's okay, my boy. Sit back, just making some noise, doing this all the time. And oh, thank you for that penny. That's a penny for my thought when I'm rhyming. I don't even care no more. Just sitting here spitting these things. Just don't even care. It's okay, cause I'm all up in the game. In my own little way, in my own little treasure is my chest, and that's my son and me forever. I just wanna be a good dad. Did you know that poetry? Did you see it, Stages? Did you know in that, boys? That's okay. If you did not know it, that's alright with me. We're just chilling right here doing this because we are our family. What you doing, little cutie boys? Did you make some stages? Oh yes, that's what you do, my boys. You make some stages. Daddy just knows that. Daddy just likes to make stinkies too. Yes, sitting right back, rebuttal this stuff because we in trouble. That's okay, because I love you. What you gonna do? He's just throwing stuff on the table. That's alright. I'm willing and able to stop this, but I'm in a stable, ready to go. But the microphone cable won't let me just like be so free, and that's okay. It's just like sitting right there next to me. Hey, maybe one day I'll make it, and maybe I'll make $1 million. Maybe more, maybe less. I don't even give a dang. I'm about to just holler. Daddy just wants to just make some noise. That's okay with me. People like to play with their toys. That's what I do. I just sit here and make some noise. Flip on the microphone just with a cable. That's okay with me because I'm stuck in a stable, willing and able to get out of this, but the microphone cable won't let me. Did you know that, cuties? Did you know that, boys? You did know that, boys? Dennis is here and just like make some music for you. I know it's not gonna sell this week, maybe this year. Did it make a noise? 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 Yes, cuties, doing that stuff, making some noise. Dad. Boy. That's your mouth, boy. Give me that, boy. Give me that, boy. Ha ha ha. What you doing, cuties?